Hey there. So I hope you had a good weekend. I just finished up my trading session for the day. I took one trade on NASDAQ. I technically took two. My second one was on accident. You'll see that when you watch this recap. It could have gone really bad. Anyways, as you can see, if we go to today, I ended up making $3,000 total on the day from that one trade. So anyways, I actually took this trade live on Zoom with my private group. So with that being said, let's go ahead and roll the replay.
I think NQ looks better for longs. And it meets with the trend. Um, I wouldn't mind getting in if we can get a better entry. I can put my stop at 274. All right. Sorry guys, I was just messing with myself. I limit order at 295. I might get filled right now. I don't want to chase the trade. Might get filled right now. Hold up. Okay, I'm in my position now. My stop is down here at 273. I have my stop at. Okay, I just got out of that. We are done. 2,500 bucks. We got around 25 points out of that. 25 points exactly, actually. Entered at 95, didn't chase the trade. And then I just put my limit order just above this resistance, right at 20. So I only had to risk, let's see, I risked around 20 points. So I had a little bit over a 1-to-1. So not the best RR, but man, I don't know. NQ always sketches me out for some reason. It just moves so quickly. I do enjoy scalping NQ more. I really don't like holding it long. So if I see him up to 2 grand in a few minutes, I feel like I have to take it off. As long as I at least have a 1-to-1, that's my minimum. Win rate's high, we can keep a 1-to-1. I think we could still hit 30 and 40. Typically when it just pops up that fast, I kind of want to just lock in my gains, knowing we could pull back real quick like we did. Now, if we slowly grind it up to 30 or 40 or 20, then it'd be a different story. But if we got there in one candle, I'm gonna take it off. Feels dumb not to if you get an easy trade like that. I'll have a target, but if we get near the target really fast within a minute or two, or within one candle, I should say, then I'll take it off. Yeah, this candle had decent volume. This is our first green Heikin-Ashi candle off of this reversal. Had no wick at the bottom. It also had a little bit elevated volume, so I was able to put my stop right below this candle when I entered that. See, wow, we just dumped. So, oh shit, what had, oh fuck, I canceled my stop. Oh God. I'm sure you guys saw that, right? Dude, I wasn't even paying attention to that. Did I not press cancel and exit all when I exited? I mean, even though I made money, that is not good. I could easily gone to shit. Oh God. Okay, I just pressed cancel and exit all like 5 times, so that doesn't happen again.
All right, so as you can see, that was the trade I took today. Now, to give you some more context on why I wanted to take this trade, first off, it wasn't the perfect setup by any means. We're very close to that resistance area, as you saw. But the first thing I saw when it came to NQ is I always like to look on the bigger time frame. So I'm on a 4-hour time frame right now. And the first thing I'm seeing is, yes, we're in an overall bearish structure over the past few weeks on NASDAQ, right? We've been selling off. But over the past few days, as you can see, we're getting consistent green Heikin-Ashi candles on this 4-hour time frame. So I knew the short-term trend is up. It's a higher probability for me to look for long setups, but I don't want to hold this to new highs, right? I want to scalp this because we're still in a bear structure. We're getting close to this EMA, lines up with our resistance. So I knew I didn't want to hold for new highs. I was mainly just focused on scalping, right? I knew that before going into the trade. Now, going into the 5-minute chart, once I kind of know what I'm looking for, you can see we're kind of chopping up and down the VWAP. The majority of the day we're staying above it. We tried to test this resistance level once, we sold off. And the second time we attempted, right, This is where I actually got out of the trade on this wick at the top right here. And this is where sellers end up stepping in. Sellers from this resistance area had very aggressive selling and took out those buyers. Now, again, I did get a little lucky on this trade just because I timed it perfectly where I got out. But this could have easily went red on me. So I wouldn't say I'm super proud of this trade, but I had somewhat of the right idea. As you can see, we bounced back pretty quick already after this huge sell-off. So anyways, once I go into that, I want to go into the 2-minute chart. And basically what I took was I just waited for this MACD to cross on the 2-minute time frame. We got this nice big green Heikin-Ashi candle. And I also realized I could put my stop below this candle. Since this candle did have elevated volume, it's not like I had to put it at the lows or anything like that. So that justified me to take this trade a little bit, knowing I didn't have to risk that much. And I actually got a pretty good entry. Okay, so this candle originally closed up at 311. I put a limit order like 10 or 15 points behind that at 295, end up getting filled over here. And I was able to get out right at this resistance. I literally had a limit order at 320. So again, I got a little lucky on this, but I also knew before taking this trade that it was going to be a scalp, right? I just had to get at least a 1-to-1 risk reward out of it. And luckily I was able to do that. So anyways, that was my trade for the day. I'll take it. Can't complain about that. Plus, we also had some students make money, people who are live with us on that call. As you can see, Aiden, solid trade today in the inner circle. He made $4.95 in 2 of his PA accounts on Apex. We had Amy. She traded this on 5 different accounts. Great to have a chat in the inner circle today. He answers all questions, has good information. Highly recommend joining if you're looking for an easy to understand, accessible mentor with a rock solid win rate. Amy, I appreciate the plug if you're watching this. We also had RBL. He said just took that NQ trade for 30 points as well. So anyways, guys, that's going to wrap up my trade recap for the day. I hope you guys all had a great trading session yourself. We have 2 more days of the month left, right? So if you had a bad month this month, now is a good time to get in the right mindset, reset, build your confidence over the next 2 days as we end this month out and go into August ready to crush it. That could be the month that changes everything for you. Real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know that we're doing an inner circle sale. So if you guys want to watch me trade live every single day on Zoom, I used to only trade live 2 days a week. Now I'm trading every single day live so you can see pretty much every trade I take in real time and get access to my exclusive inner circle Discord channel. So anyways, like I said, we're running a sale right now. Inside, you'll get live trading every day on Zoom. You'll get trade ideas and alerts and updated levels throughout the day, plus private access to this inner circle Discord group where I give all kinds of trade ideas and inside notes of what we're doing in the market, what trades I'm taking. So anyways, if you guys are interested in joining the inner circle, watching me trade live every day, like I said, we are running a sale. You can get 50% off your first month. Just use the coupon code July on the checkout page. All you have to do is click on the first link in the description below, or just head over to this link right here to sign up for the inner circle and be able to lock in this sale going on. I'll see you guys again for another trading session tomorrow morning.